Good morning. Welcome to my garden. Let's see what's growing. As you can see, I have some corn growing. This is my first year growing corn, and I'm surprised at how easy it is. You can see the tassels of the corn are starting to come up now. As the tassels come up, that means we're getting closer to actual ears being developed. So I'm really excited that I might actually get some homegrown corn this year. That just goes to show just try it and see what happens. I planted 6 kernels and look what I got already. Down here, I have my jalapeno peppers growing. They have the flowers on them, and the jalapenos are actually developing now. You try to zoom in on the flowers. You can see the white flowers. And as the flowers get pushed off, then you see the actual peppers. And here's the peppers right there. You can see it for yourself. They are coming on out. Let's walk around here to my eggplants. And they're doing really well. I have 5 of them. I might get one more implanted in the front part. But you can see the purple flowers on the plant, so some eggplants should be coming soon. And to the left, I have my okra to the left of my eggplants. They're still on the short side, but I actually saw 2 okra flowers, so I'll get okra pretty soon. But everything is doing good. I have a little lavender in there that's kind of struggling with the heat, but it's still hanging in there. And I'm very satisfied with my eggplants and the okra. Very nice. I can't wait for my okra to be taller because it'll be taller than me. Looks great. It's not as hot this year, and I think it's not as hot as early. I think that's what's helping. And here are my cucumbers. I've kept the leaves cut back so I can get some more cucumber blooms, and that seems to be working. I don't have a bunch of diseased leaves like I have previously. So I think with the airflow and the plant being able to focus on making flowers, I should get a lot of cucumbers. So I'm patiently waiting on the bees to do their work. I love cucumbers in a salad. And I have my Blue Lake bush bean plants right here next to my cucumbers. We'll go around in a few minutes and take a better look at those. And we'll go around and take a look at my tomatoes first. I did have a chance to harvest some beans too. And here we go, our tomatoes. I have some tomato blooms on there, the little yellow flowers, and I have some tomatoes as well. They're still at the green stage, but they are there. And I think I'm going to try some fried green tomatoes this year as well. It's early in the morning and I still have some dew on the plants. You can see the little flowers coming in. So I'll have even more tomatoes soon. I just tap the plants to help pollinate them for the tomato development. Those are my bigger tomatoes down there. Hopefully, I don't have any groundhogs this year wanting to steal them from me. But even if they do, There's some more. And around here, I have in the pot some scallions, which I cut back and they regrow. And here are the blue leg bush beans that I harvested today. And I'll cut those up for my lunch. Here are some bell peppers, and they have some flowers, and some peppers are actually developing, and they are growing pretty quickly. So I'm pleased about that. Yeah, you can see them there. Yeah. Over here, I have my zucchini plants. I have them all in pots because they can get out of hand. And there's my first zucchini coming in there. Let's zoom in on that. Yep, that's my first zucchini. I have a total of 4 plants. So I'm waiting to see how many zucchinis I can get out of these 4 plants this season. I love zucchinis. And over here are my strawberry plants. They're starting to produce. And the birds and squirrels definitely love them, especially the birds, but I don't mind sharing. I have the strawberries and some other berries, so there's enough for all of us. Over here, I have my lemon tree. I'm going to come a little closer and zoom in on those little lemons coming in. Of course, they come in green first. And then as they grow, they turn yellow. And I have a few of them here. Here's one, and here are a couple more back here. Let me pull the leaf back. Yeah. And I'll see how that goes this year, if I'm going to continue to grow them or not in future years. Here's some roses and some dahlias over here. This is the first year I've had the dahlias come up since I planted them. And I'm just so happy. They're such a different looking flower, and the leaves wilt with the high heat, but it always bounces back, and the flowers are staying strong. It's always good to have flowers in your garden. And I have my pink lemonade blueberries. Zoom in closer, you can see. There they are. And I have another one here as well. I'll show you that one. Here you go. This one, the berries on this one are actually a little bit bigger than the other one. But as we get more rain and sun, they'll grow. And onto my raspberry plants here. This is my first year growing raspberries, so we'll see how this goes. I have to trim them a little bit so they don't get out of hand. I have some broccoli and oregano there. I'm hanging on. In this heat, I'm surprised that the broccoli's still here. And over here are my favorite blackberries. And they're just turning from green to a pinkish red color. And then they'll turn into a dark red. And they'll be ready to harvest. And they are delicious. I've grown these for several years. And just an overview of my garden. And I just want to thank you for joining me. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you.